Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you have never been to my channel before and this is your first time, welcome. My name is AbsolutelySha. Make sure after this video you give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Duh. Anyway, so I know by the title of this video, you know that I'm going to share with you my winter FabFitFun box. And the thing that I like about FabFitFun is that you select your items like so many, I don't know, maybe like a month before they actually ship it out. So I actually don't even remember what it is I selected that I wanted in my box. So yeah, I'm kind of going to be like, not surprised, but I'm kind of going to be like, oh yeah, that is what I forgot I said I wanted this. But if you are not familiar at all with what FabFitFun is, it's a subscription box. It's not monthly. They do it seasonally. So you get a spring, you get summer, you get fall, and you get a winter box. It's, I believe, $49.99 each season, which it might sound pricey, but you're not paying that monthly. Again, like I said, you're paying it for each season, and you get like full size items. So I'm still fairly new to it. I haven't been a subscriber to this service for a long time. The first box I got was the fall, and so this is my second one, which is the winter. So I'm really excited to open it up and to see what I selected, because like I said, I totally don't even I remember one thing that I chose, but everything else I don't even remember what it is that I chose. So yeah, and I guess let's get into my box and let's see what I got. All right, guys, so bear with me, but this is the ginormous box that all of your goodies come in. So as you can see, I haven't even opened it, and I am going to open it right now. And you are going to see the unboxing of my winter box. I'm pretty excited to see what it is I got. Excuse me. All right, so it gives you this cool magazine, and it comes with a cool magazine. So it's the winter 2019 magazine, and it pretty much tells you what items you got and information on them. It tells you what the retail value of it is. So yeah, and this is pretty much what's in the box. So it comes with this really cool magazine, and they always give you like these cool little coupon things. Like this is for HelloFresh, and this is, what is this? So it says, pass this on to a friend who would love FabFitFun, and you get $15 off your first box. So I don't know, I don't know how I can do this. I guess I can say message me if you want. I don't know how I would do this, but if you're interested in FabFitFun, then I have a coupon for you to use where you can get $15 off your first box if interested. All right, let's get into what I got. So the first thing, I'm just gonna grab things that I see. So I got this here. So it's Adore. This is available, it says, at Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom, and Adore Jewelry. So it's a stack and sparkle. If you can, I don't know if you can see that, but it's a pretty necklace that I got, which is so beautiful. I think I do remember picking this out. It's rose gold, so I know I was on it when I saw this. This is so pretty. But yeah, so I got this, and I don't know, maybe I should tell you guys what the retail value of it is, right? Let's see. Let's see. So yeah, so I got, oh, I'm sorry, it's not a necklace, it's a bracelet. Look at me giving you the wrong information, girl. It's a bracelet, and the retail value of this is $39. Now mind you, I said that I paid $49.99 for this whole entire box, and this alone is $39. But yeah, it's a bracelet. Oh, I'm gonna wear this. That's like tomorrow when I go to work, I'll have this beauty on. It's so pretty. Okay, so I'm happy with that. So let me keep the book open so I can keep referencing to it to tell you what everything is. This, oh my goodness. This is Natural Dead Sea Bath Salts. And it's from Ahava. Forgive me if I'm saying it wrong. But yeah, so these are bath salts, and the retail value for the bath salts is let's see, $16. So this bag alone, $16. I'm really not a bath person. I'm more of a shower person. I prefer to take showers. So yeah, I don't know. I'll probably end up giving this away because I'm really not a bath person. And it's so crazy because in my apartment, like in my bathroom here, I have like a pretty big size, I think it's like a jacuzzi tub that I had, and I won't use it. But this is cool. So I got bath salts. Let's see. This here is an exfoliate and detox pore cleansing clay mask. Now this is something that I definitely will use. I have, if you're not familiar or if you've seen my other videos, I also have a BoxyCharm membership, and they are notorious for sending like different kind of masks and facial scrub. Like, I love it. I have so many masks that I can use, and I'm always happy when I get something new. But yeah, but this one from FabFitFun, they sent me an exfoliate and detox. So I'm excited about this. And let's see, what is the retail value of this? Let's see. I don't know. I'm sure it's on here. I'm probably looking right at it and I don't even see it. Where is it? I don't know. I'm sorry. Oh, see, I had to open it so I can see what it looks like. Okay, so the retail value of this is $48. This is $48. This alone is almost like the cost of the whole box. The box is $49.99, and this mask is $49. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. You get your money's worth. All right, this here is a Prime and Prep Detangular from Dry Bar. So this is for your hair. Right now I have braids in my hair, so I won't use this, but I've been wearing braids for a while now. Like, I take them out and then I get them put back in, and I take them out and I get them put back in. The thing with me is that actually braids like help my hair grow tremendously, but I miss my weave, and I cannot get this open. I want to see what it smells like. So yeah, I'm ready to get my weave put back in. So the braids will be coming out fairly soon, and then I'll get a new look. Oh, guys, I'm trying to open this because I want to know what it smells like. I'm like one of them people where I like to smell things, my food, everything. But anyway, I'll probably use this on my hair extensions or something like that. Let's see what it smells like. Why do I like this? Doesn't smell too bad. It has like a clean scent to it. But oh, it says protects up to 450. So it's also a heat protectant. But yeah, so I got this, and this costs, how much does this cost? This right here is $23. So this is $23. So already The box is paid for. All right, let's see what's next. This is a makeup eraser. Sorry, you probably can't even see that. There you go. It's a makeup eraser. Sorry, my puppy is he's not even a puppy. He's gonna be 6 years old the 23rd of this month, and I still refer to him as a puppy. Yes, I do. He's a Yorkie, he's only 9 pounds. He still looks like a puppy. But he has been barking non-stop for like this whole weekend. He always barks, but this past weekend it's been like continuous. So anyway, we're gonna ignore him and I'm gonna keep rolling. So this is a makeup eraser. It's very soft. I don't think I've ever seen these before. Makeup wipes forever. Cool. Well, I definitely will be trying this out. So it says you wet it and then you just wipe your makeup off. That's so cool. I've never seen that before. But yeah, so that's cool. Makeup eraser. What is the cost of this? The cost of the makeup eraser is $20. For this thing, $20? I know good and well I never would have just purchased that alone. No offense to it, and I will let you know how well it works, but I know good and well I would not pay $20 for this thing. Not saying that it's not good, but I'm just saying. So yeah, so I got that. And what else is in here? I got this. This is Epsom salt hand and body wash. Ooh, Epsom salt hand and body wash. Oh my gosh. And it has lavender oil in it. Ooh, this is gonna be so nice to use. I'm excited about this. The retail value of this is $39.95. That's insane. $39.95. So yeah, so far I have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in this box, and I'm not even done. And then I got an eyeshadow palette. So I got this eyeshadow palette, and this is from Beauty Bakery. Proof is in the pudding. I didn't even realize this was from Beauty Bakery. I've been wanting to try their makeup products. The thing about me is that I absolutely love makeup, but I'm not as great at it as I would like to be. But I know that also comes with the more you do it and practice, the better you'll come at it. But I really do love makeup. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. These are colors that I would typically wear anyway. I'm more of the natural, neutral, golden brown tone. Like I like those kind of eyeshadows to use. This is so pretty. I'm so excited about this. I really, really am. Like, you have no idea. This, by far, out of all the items so far, this one is my favorite. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I don't even remember. I don't know if this is something that everyone got in their box or if this is something that I selected. I don't remember selecting this, but if I did, yay me. And if I didn't, awesome FabFitFun. This is a good trip. I'm so excited about this. So the retail value of this is $38. $38. I'm so excited about that. I'm really excited about that one. And I think, excuse me, this is the last thing in my box. This is the one thing that I do remember selecting. Not that I need any more of these. Let me tell you. Me and my daughter, we have an obsession with fleece blankets. And this is what I got. I got another blanket. And let me see what the retail value of this is. Oh, Okay, sorry. I was just looking at the magazine and they have it coded as to what all members got, what select members got, and what was FabFitFun's pick. So the Beauty Bakery select members. Oh, so only select members got this Beauty Bakery. I am so happy. I am so excited about this. Only select members got this one. And all members got this. All members got this blanket here. So I am so excited. I guess I need to go back and see what else was select members and what was FabFitFun's pick. But this was select members. All right. So the thing about fleece blankets is that I like mine oversized. Like I like it huge. So you can just like wrap up in it. Not that I need to wrap up in it. Although here in Florida, we have had some cool nights the past week or so. And mornings. It's been cool. But the thing with me is that I wrap up so tightly in my comforter and blankets that I'm like drenched in sweat when I wake up in the middle of the night. I don't know why I do that, but I do it all the time. All right. I got a feeling this is pretty big in size. I don't want to cut up my blanket, but it's wrapped up so tightly. All right, let's see. There we go. All right. Oh wait, there it not go. I'm still trying to get this thing open. They got it packaged really. I'm trying, I don't want to cut the blanket because then I'll be really upset if I do that. So let's see. Ooh, look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at this. This thing. Look at this. I love this. I love this. Oh my gosh. It's like a nice size too. Ooh, and it's so soft. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. I love these blankets. So yeah, so that was the last thing in my box. There you have it. Those are all, oh sorry, the blanket. So those are all the items that I got in my FabFitFun box. Like I said, if someone was to ask me what is the one most thing that I'm excited about in this box, it would definitely have to be the Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette. So excited about this. And yeah, so how many items did I get? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got 8 items, and it says the total value of the box is between $211 and $345. So yeah, I think that's a pretty good deal, and all I paid for the box was $49.99. So I'm telling you, if you are interested in like discovering new products, and what I like about FabFitFun is that like it's a variety of things. So you have like things for your hair, things for your body, you have makeup. So it's like a nice variety of things that you can select and get in your box. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video of me unboxing what I got in my FabFitFun 2019 winter box. So I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. If it's during the day that you're watching this, if it's nighttime, I hope you have a very nice, beautiful, restful evening and night. And for those of you who don't know, again, my name is AbsolutelySha. Please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified each and every time I upload a new video. And I will catch you all in my very next video. Bye.